Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I just did a video on this, and the only reason I'm making this video because I'm going to get some people that use Corel a lot go, well, why don't you just use the shadow tool? And very much so, that's a good request. Just get the shadow tool and just swipe across here, and it puts a shadow, and you can change it. Make the feathering and the capacity of the shadow stronger or bigger. But the difference in the way I did it, and then if you change the feathering, you can make it feather way out. So it almost just blows it out of the water. But the main reason I did it the other way, I mean, that's cool if you're going to print it on a white t-shirt, but it's really not another color. And if we move this out of the way, the shadow stays with it, so it's all one group. But if you put a black box around it, the shadow disappears. So that's why I kind of did it. And I'm not a shadow expert, so I don't, boy, that looks weird. I drug the wrong one out. I'm not a shadow expert, but I don't know that you could, I'm sure that you could change the color. Well, let's just try it. I'm going to go with still RGB and make it, say it's a white shadow now, or let's make it a gray, or at least. Now, one thing about it, and yeah, I could have made mine either color. So see, the shadow just goes away, where mine is going to stay regardless. And you can just barely tell that shadow now. We go back to the shadow tool, you'll get your tools back. And let's try it with a blue shadow. But I could have done blue. I could have done any color I would have wanted to with that. Now, let's see if yellow, and let's put it here. And even if you take the object, go order, you can't put it to the back of the page. So the shadow's not actually, I don't understand if it's just not there. But this is pretty cool. Let's make this shirt green. Let's say a green shirt now. No, you can't see the shadow. So the way I did it earlier is the best on like a dark t-shirt, and you wanted it like that. Now, if you were just printing it on a white t-shirt, and I shouldn't really say that because I don't use that much shadow. If you make it black, you've got that same look. And you have some, you can change some things to make it darker or lighter, and let's put that back to black here. Anyway, so just for those people that are going to ask me about the shadow tool, I think this is a better way to do that fuzzy shadow if you're printing it on dark material. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.